You slept for 8 hours. No late night scrolling, no loud noise, no alarm interruptions, but still, you woke up feeling like garbage. Your eyes burn, your head feels heavy, and your body just wants to go back to sleep. We've all been told, get 8 hours of sleep and you'll feel great. But that's only half the truth. Sleep is not just about time, it's about cycles. Your body runs through sleep stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Each cycle takes about 90 minutes. If you wake up in the middle of deep sleep, your brain reacts like it's being interrupted mid-repair. That's why some 8-hour sleeps leave you groggy and some 6-hour sleeps leave you energized. So what's actually ruining your rest? First, late-night screens. Your phone's blue light tells your brain it's still daytime. That delays melatonin, the chemical that makes you sleepy. Second, eating too close to bedtime. If you sleep while your stomach's digesting, your body stays partially awake. Third, inconsistent sleep timing. If you sleep at 1 a.m. one night and 10 p.m. the next, your body clock goes out of sync. And fourth, caffeine. It stays in your system for 6 to 8 hours. Even if you fall asleep, it prevents you from reaching deep sleep. When your sleep quality suffers, your brain pays the price. During deep sleep, your brain literally washes itself, flushing out waste like adenosine, which causes mental fatigue. If this doesn't happen, your brain stays foggy. Poor sleep also affects memory, focus, mood, and even fat storage. You might feel angry for no reason, or hungry even when you're full. Sleep is not doing nothing. It's recovery, rewiring, and detox, all happening while you lie still. Here are 6 proven tips to improve your sleep starting tonight. Number 1, follow the 90-minute rule. Use a sleep calculator to set your wake-up alarm after a complete cycle, like 6, 7.5, or 9 hours. Number 2, no screens 1 hour before bed. If you have to, use night mode or blue light glasses. Number 3, cool your room to around 19 to 22 degrees Celsius. Lower body temperature equals deeper sleep. Number 4, avoid eating 2 hours before sleep. Your body needs to wind down. Number 5, magnesium-rich foods like bananas, almonds, or a warm drink help your muscles relax naturally. And number 6, sleep and wake at the same time every day, even on weekends. That's how your body builds a natural rhythm. Now here are a few hidden sleep killers you probably never noticed. Street light leaking through your window? It kills melatonin production. Even dim light confuses your brain. Drinking alcohol before sleep? It helps you fall asleep, yes, but it wrecks REM, the most important part of sleep. And lastly, noises you don't fully wake up to, like snoring or distant traffic, still prevent deep sleep. You might not even realize it. The truth is, you don't need more sleep. You need better sleep. Try even one of these tips tonight, and you'll feel the difference by morning. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's fuel.